Greetings, welcome to Smartwatch Guide. Today let's review an amazing smartwatch, the IWO 13 W56 smartwatch. And the watch comes from the brand of DEMOR. Okay, let's look at the watches. There are two watches in the table. On the left side, the black one is 44mm, while on the right side, the pink color is the 40mm. There are two sizes for the smartwatch IWO 13W56. Okay, let's compare the two watches. We can see the 44mm is bigger than the 40mm pink color. So the 44mm is more suitable with men, while the 40mm in pink color is more suitable with women. We can see both of the watch has two buttons, one round crown button and the other power button. The left side is also the same. Let's compare the back. We can see the heart rate sensor at the center of the watch case are different. The black one in 44mm has 4 heart rate sensor, while the pink color in 40mm has only 1 heart rate sensor. Okay, let's power on the watch to see the software of the watches. We can compare the starting time. The starting up time almost the same. Okay, let's slide down through the screen from right to left to see the menu icons. We can see the menu icons are the same on the screen. Okay, let's slide through the screen from top to down. There are status bar, Bluetooth connection, battery indication, and QR code for application to download. There are same application because they are same model. Okay, let's check out the sports mode. Sports mode has the same sports pattern: walking, running, climbing, cycling, basketball, table tennis, football. Okay, and let's test the crown button to change the watch face. Both of the two watches of the crown button works. Okay. let's change to the line grid. You will start to compare the functions. First page, second page. The layout of the applications are a little different. The calendar in the 44mm is in the middle of the bottom, while the 40mm is at the right side of the bottom. Okay, so this is the amazing smartwatch of IW13 W56 smartwatch, and it has two sizes, 44mm in black color and 40mm in pink color. Okay, thank you for listening.